Wonderful. Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting another week in my life vlog. So abhi bahut hi impromptu plan bana hai to go and have some shawarma. I haven't had this particular shawarma in I think 1 or 2 years, like pre-COVID I had it. Like we used to go to this place a lot. I'll show you. This is my favorite place in Mumbai to have shawarma. Actually, this is the only place that I'll have shawarma at. So yeah, I just thought I should start the vlog. We also are going to have our Diwali party, so I'll vlog a little bit of that as well, and whatever happens in the coming week. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are finally here. कितने बजे? 10:30 हो गया ना? लेट हो गया थोड़ा सा. डिनर के लिए बहुत लेट हो गया. But where are we? Tell everyone, where are we?
Bandra Road.
अरे पागल. वो तो ठीक है, shawarma का जगह का नाम बोल.
Carter's Blue.
Carter's Blue has the best shawarma ever. I get the classic one. ये लोग I think कुछ तो तंदूरी या पेरी पेरी या
टिक्का.
हाँ, टिक्का ऐसे कुछ अजीब सा लाते हैं. But try the plain classic one. It's so good, and then you can ask for extra. It's not mayo, right? It's something else, the white thing that comes along, white sauce that comes along with it, but it's so good. So yeah, let's go. So we are inside the restaurant. We usually never sit inside the restaurant, but we usually stand outside and we eat. But because of COVID, we thought it was a good idea to sit inside and eat, because थोड़ा social distance करने मिलेगा. मास्क उतार के खाने, I mean खाना पड़ेगा तो मास्क उतार के ही खाना पड़ेगा. But that's what we're doing. Our shawarma is here with the pickled क्या है ये? Carrot और हाँ radish करेगा.
This is Maddie being Maddie.
उल्टा बोला, उल्टा.
Clumsy.
Clumsy ने उल्टा ही बोला.
हाँ, वो clumsiness में आ जाता ना.
Let me take my first bite after 2 years.
Reaction time.
चिकन टिक्का शॉर्मा.
जल्दी कर, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है. How's it? नानी. मेरे को मालूम था यही हगेगा.
Predictable है. So मेरा मास्क नीचे गिर. Stop. मेरा मास्क नीचे गिर गया. मैंने अदित्य का मास्क ले लिया एंड दिस इज हिज टेम्पररी है. कभी यहाँ से ले लेंगे, क्या बोलते हैं, केमिस्ट से. बट ये ऊपर कोई है. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज डॉक्टर बबल्स. मुझे I want to share a hack with you guys.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh my God.
Why didn't we think of this?
Oh shit.
Life changing.
Oh man.
क्या हो गया बताओ सबको. So we had come here because this is apparently Shikhar's favorite place to have cheesecake, but बंद हो गया है clearly. So we settled for Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. कहीं और से ही लिया है. तीर्थन आया sharing this. Obviously pizza and आना बनता ही है. Shikhar is also having the same thing. And Adi, what are you having?
Chocolate tart.
Basic. Jatin isn't having anything because his body is a temple. So we're just driving around and we found this beautiful road, full Diwali vibes max. It's so pretty.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए
Happy Diwali. Oh my god. Another super cute corner that we found. Not a corner, it's a street, like a part of a street, but it's so pretty. Hi guys, good morning. I'm at the airport right now with ta-da!
Hi guys.
So this is our first time flying together.
Yeah.
We're going for an event which you'll know about very soon. There are other people also joining us very soon, but as usual we're early. So we're having some breakfast at Starbucks thanks to Mansi Mao.
They didn't write my name properly, guys.
Of course not. So कुछ नहीं, हम लोग पहुँच गए. मैं भी सोच रही हूँ कुछ तो गरम पीने का ले लूँ. And then
Because उसको हमेशा गरम पीने का बहुत मन करता है.
yeah. So boarding has begun. And I wanted to pee, so we came for the second time. Sorry. We should run. We should actually run. We made it.
We made it, guys.
Successfully made it.
Oh my God, this is Mridul Sharma. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
कहाँ गया मुंबई क्रू? It's the Mumbai crew.
Hello, what's up?
This is the Mumbai.
Yeah.
I thought there would be more
सिर्फ
people
मुंबई
from
crew
Mumbai.
है।
No.
नहीं, हम तीन और ये हमारे पीछे।
Just vlogging things, guys.
Reunited.
Reunited after 10 days.
How was your flight?
Very,
After 10.
very boring.
Finally, our bags are here. It took forever. Finally, हमें हमारा room मिल गया है. Washroom, bedroom. Mansi, Mao and I are sharing.
Yes. We were supposed to get separate rooms, but we were like नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ, वैसे भी waste होता. साथ में ही सोते वैसे
साथ
भी.
में सोने वाले हैं.
Now we're gonna put on some bathrobes and start getting ready. And our food is supposed to come any minute तो नहीं 10-15 minute में. So we like run back in our bathrobes to have food. Yeah, so let's get started. So we're running really late. And मैंने ये मास्क तो लगा दिया है जबरदस्ती. टाइम तो है नहीं. Also check out Mansi Mao's lavender handkerchief. नहीं, handkerchief नहीं. What is it? Is it a towel? Oh, it's a t-shirt. Oh, okay. Because she's carried her own towel and napkin and all of that. So I thought that's what is hanging up there.
मैम आपको पानी चाहिए?
Best friend goes. Bye. Bye. See you in a bit. Okay, so finally we're ready. My dress. I got my dress फटा हुआ जो मुझे अभी पता चला. My shoes didn't fit me. My curls look like shit honestly. और क्या हुआ? लैशेस नहीं चिपके. So basically जो भी गलत होना था हो चुका है. अब कुछ गलत नहीं होगा. आज का दिन will be great. Mansi, do you want to show your outfit?
Let me pee.
Okay. We're here finally. 5:30.
हमने भाग के फोटो खींचे हैं. लोग बेचारे सब सोशलाइज कर रहे हैं और हम यहाँ like लाइट के पहले फोटो खींचते बाद में सोशलाइज
Yeah, we reached here at. Now we'll go and socialize. We
Yeah,
came here at
properly.
5:30. We literally ran and we started taking
And
pictures.
winter की वजह से जल्दी हो रहा है.
जल्दी हो रहा है and it's a very beautiful setup. So we don't want to miss this opportunity. So we've been socializing for a while, did a good job. So I never really got to the point, never told you why we're here. So basically Mamaearth is launching color cosmetics. So they've already launched their kajals and now they've launched lip tints as well, which I'll do like a proper swatch and all of that tomorrow for you guys. But yeah, we're just here having a good time, having some food, just chilling. This is when you know you're done with the day. I'm wearing heels after 2 years.
ऐसा क्यों पड़ी है?
क्योंकि मेरे पाँव में प्रेशर नहीं ले रहा है. My legs are not taking it anymore.
But oh my God, please stop doing that. Your legs is bothering me.
So we're back in the hotel. And just check out my beautiful situation. So it's not the lipstick's fault. It's me. Also, it's on my teeth. I put like lip balm like an idiot underneath.
God, it was a night event. Otherwise.
Oh, also एक और चीज. उनको एक मेरा hack दिखा दे. Okay, ready?
Yes.
So I look normal, right? Okay, normal.
Like हम लोग.
Everything's normal.
उसने लगाया हुआ यहाँ पे रबर बैंड बिकॉज उसको नेक डीप नहीं चाहिए था एंड उसके बाल से सब छुप रहा है तो nobody even noticed. Nice.
Hi guys, so it is the next morning. Last night we actually hung out in the restaurant downstairs. Everyone, like all the creators who are staying in this hotel, gathered niche and we were just chilling, chatting. We actually went back to our hotels at 12:30, which seems very early, but we started very early, like 7 o'clock ko 7, right? 7:30 we started and we were chilling for like a good like 5 hours and सब लोग actually जल्दी भी उठे थे the previous morning, so everyone was very tired. But anyway, today is our last day here. We're actually leaving in half an hour. I was just getting ready, so I thought I would show you guys the lip balm that I was talking to you guys about yesterday. So Mamaearth has launched their tinted lip balms in 5 different variants. The first one that we have is in the rose variant, which I actually really like. I love the fragrance of this one. Then we have the cherry one. Cocoa variant also smells amazing. There's a vitamin C variant and then there's an Upton variant as well. So the winters are here. I personally don't have a dry skin type, but my lips definitely do get dry. So this is going to moisturize your lips. It's going to heal your lips and at the same time it's going to leave a beautiful tint on your lips as well. So these lip balms are suitable for all skin types. They're also going to give you moisturization up to 12 hours. They're cruelty free and vegan. I just want to quickly show you how easily they glide onto your lips. Now these are nourished with vitamin E, coconut oil and shea butter. So every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 they're aiming at planting 1 million trees as a part of their initiative. Mamaearth has also launched their app, so you can definitely download that and just have a much easier shopping experience. So as always, if you guys want to try this product out for yourselves, you can use my code MRUDUL2021 on mamaearth.in to get a 20% off. Other than that, all Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And we've left, unfortunately. But we'll be back very soon. For sure. मेरा outfit, as Mansi said, एकदम corporate outfit लग रहा है. But I'm just wearing like what I have. I didn't want to carry like too many. Thank you. I didn't want to carry like too many jackets and stuff.
तो गोदी में उठा लेती है पूरा.
So we're at the airport, unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know. And I went to check the gate, and Mansi Mom started flirting with a guy. Don't lie.
सबको पता है ये झूठ है. आपको भी पता है.
Trust me, I'm actually not
He
lying.
started talking to me. He was asking if you guys are stylists. ये महारानी कोट पेरिस में जैसे पहन के आई है. And then he like, are you a stylist? And I'm like, no, you're content creators. ऐसे बात किया बस. और ये गई.
और बातें चलते ही जा रही. इतना लंबा स्टोरी था that we'll keep private. We won't share it because Mansi is not comfortable. She told me. Anyway, we're just waiting for our boarding to start, and then we'll board our flights and we'll.
Also, Maddie got me an iced tea without telling.
Aww.
So cute.
We've landed.
Finally.
I know, right? Took us
Mumbai.
so long. Finally, we're here, and we've decided that we're gonna go by rickshaw because Ola, Uber के लिए रुकने के लिए we don't have the
Patience ही नहीं बचा है. बस हो रहा है.
I know.
घर जाना है. बस हो गया.
You guys are gonna see us soon. Don't worry. Bye. Okay, so I'm back home. It's actually the next day that I'm checking in. The trip was so much of fun. It was such a nice socializing event after like 2 years, literally 2 years. This was my first event after the pandemic, and it was amazing. I met so many amazing people, and for the first time ever, I don't know if I should say this, but for the first time ever in an event, there was like no like weird vibes. Everyone was just so nice, which is very refreshing, and I love that. Now today is the day that we're throwing Abhya and Mayur like a bridal shower. Like a bridal shower is supposed to be for the bride obviously, but we wanted to do something for the both of them. More about that in a little bit. Now I'm going to be going to the gym after a very long time, so I'm gonna go, and after I'm back I'll explain to you guys everything that we have in mind in terms of the decor, what we're doing, all of that. We also got this cart mere ghar se, and we're going to be using this. Got all the flowers, all the decor, everything is here. Now we just need to set up. Okay, so just took a really quick 5-minute shower because there's no time. It's 7 o'clock right now. We have 1 hour, max 1.5 hours to get the whole thing set up. So we just need to get started. Okay, so I think this is where I'm going to be doing like a cute photo booth area almost. And I think in this area we can keep the bar cart and just keep everything to like eat and drink right here. We'll move this somewhere else. So we have all of these frames lying around. So we're just measuring the frames, and uske andar we'll get printouts of Mayur and Adya's pictures, and then we'll display them. So we're waiting right now. Where's Mayur Bhai? So Mayur Bhai didn't come, only Adu came. So now we're bringing him here. Surprise!
Now I joined the surprise.
Thanks for what?
Oh, you getting married? Congrats!
Bride and groom shower.
Shar, yeah.
हाँ? क्या मजाक है?
Oh shit, yeah, same reaction. Thanks.
चलो अभी वहाँ पे ड्रेस Hey guys, करने आ गया मानसी
नहीं.
Hey guys.
The next day, the bridal shower went well. मैंने ज़्यादा vlog नहीं किया because we were just like very much in our fields, and but I think it went well because they were so surprised. So it's a good thing,
Yeah.
right? And they were so clueless कि क्या चल रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है ये. But ठीक है, मज़ा आया. We were just having a good time. Now today, finally, after I think like 2 months, we're doing our Sangeet practice, resuming our Sangeet practice. We're done with one song. We need to do 3 more. Yeah. Which song? We shouldn't tell which song we're doing. I'm gonna do a few like time lapses after this, so you can figure which song that we're doing. You can guess in the comments down below what song we're doing next. But हाँ बस यही है. करते हैं अभी practice. Let go.
Hey you guys.
अरे नहीं पर तो भी अभी
इसके लिए 2 महीने बाद प्रैक्टिस रिज्यूम नहीं करते. एक ही बार में पूरा लर्न कर लो और खत्म करो. अब किसी को कुछ स्टेप्स याद नहीं. मतलब
सिर्फ शिखर को थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है, बाकी सबको
सिर्फ
सब
शिखर.
याद है, हाँ.
बिल्कुल भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा सेकंड गाना कैसे करना. क्लूलेस मैक्स काफी, राइट? इज इट जस्ट मी और इज इट एवरीवन?
तू गाना देख के 10 मिनट में नहीं सीख सकते, इतना प्रो नहीं है अपन. थोड़ा टाइम
बट द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग दैट वी डिड pretty quickly.
नहीं मेरा ना भाई राइट ही नहीं हो रहा पहले.
We are the back benchers. ये लोग चलो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, हम यही बैठे हैं.
हम पीछे से टॉप करेंगे.
लग तो नहीं रहा सेकंड गाने में तो नहीं, फर्स्ट गाने में शायद. सेकंड
शो स्टॉप.
आई विल बी पुटिंग अप अ यूट्यूब वीडियो हमारे संगीत परफॉर्मेंस का, तो उसमें तुम लोग ही जजमेंट दे देना.
Stay tuned guys.
So I think this is where I'm ending the vlog. अभी I'm going home. इतना ही संगीत प्रैक्टिस हुआ, कुछ खास प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुआ आज के दिन में. We just brushed up on the previous song and we started like literally 2 steps of the second song. मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आया.
Not we. Us.
Yeah, you guys, not me. मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया. लिटरली सर के ऊपर से गया. होपफुली वेंसडे को नेक्स्ट अपना है प्रैक्टिस, तो तभी होपफुली आई एम एबल टू पिक अप, और आई माइट जस्ट force them to change the song.
ये भी बढ़ गया.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There'll be way more vlogs coming very soon, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.